Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix video playback problems in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. If an update is available, install it and restart Chrome. After that, go to Settings. Open the System section and turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available, then restart Chrome to apply the change. Next, go to Privacy and Security, then open Site Settings. Scroll down and click JavaScript. Make sure the option Sites can use JavaScript is selected. Now go back to Privacy and Security and click Delete Browsing Data. Select All Time, then clear your browsing data and cached files. Finally, open the Extensions page and disable or remove any extensions that you don't need, as some extensions can interfere with video playback. Restart Google Chrome and try playing the video again. And that's it. That's how you can fix video playback problems in Google Chrome. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.